Hello Internet, thank you for taking the time to view this tutorial. We are building a text editor called Tetragrammaton using IntelliJ IDE. And previous video we showed, or tutorial, we showed how to create a file chooser, get the data, open the file chooser with a new file, clear the text, add the data. This time we're going to set the title, this right here, to go with the name that we saved the file as. Okay? Just like these ones, see the controller.groovy, see the editor.fxml, and main.java. These tabs have the name of the file, and I can delete this one because we're going to do it again. Yes, do refactor. So the first thing I need to do is an integer called dot position, because we don't want to have the see these over here in the file have dot fxml and dot imnl. This one doesn't display the dot java or the dot groovy, but you know they're there in the file. Up here they show them on this IDE, but on this text editor I don't want them to be present. Okay, this I just want the name of the file. So I need to make a substring. So it was file dot name. Okay, that's gonna get the name of the file. Dot substring. It's gonna be, oh no, the first thing we need to do is not substring, we need to do value of, index of, right? Character, we want to get the dot. Okay, so that gives us an integer, dot position, dot position, file name, index of the dot. Now we're going to do a substring. We'll call it define file name equals file dot name dot substring. It'll be 0 to dot position. Again, this is a groovy file, so we don't have to use our semicolons at the end, and we can use dynamic typing, so it doesn't have to be explicitly, a string defined as a string object. As soon as my IDE gets back up to speed here. Okay, so the next thing is, now we have the file name substring 0. Okay, now I need to do tab name. That's our tab. We're going to do text equal to file name. Okay, Control S to save, and just like that, that should work. We'll do Shift F10, see if we can get this to run, and we'll do a little test here. Okay, it'll load up here in just a moment. Okay, so we need to add some data. This is another test to see if it works. File. Whoops. I don't have any functionality on the close yet, so that's good. That that didn't happen. Save. We'll call it test.text. Okay, enter, and you can see that this testing without the extension is our tabbed title. Okay, so that just worked just fine, and here it is in our folder, so that works just fine. Thank you guys for taking the time. Hope you learned something. Questions, comments, concerns, leave it below. Until the next one.